The central feature of your video service is the program guide. It offers complete program listings, show times, descriptions, and ratings. It even indicates if the program is a new episode. You can do everything from finding programs to recording programs through the guide. Let's take a tour. Press the Guide button on the remote control to view the programming schedule. Information about the show you are watching will display at the top of the screen. Other channels and programming will show at the bottom. Use the left and right arrow buttons to move within the guide and highlight programs on a channel one at a time. As you move through the guide, a description of the highlighted program displays at the top of the screen. You can also press the Info button to see a larger pop-up screen showing the program information. When you use the up and down arrows, you move through the guide by channel. You can do the same thing using the channel plus and minus button. Use the Page Up and Page Down buttons to move through the guide a page at a time. Use the Day Up button to skip ahead 24 hours in the guide. Use the Day Down button to page back if you have moved ahead in the guide. If you happen to sit down to watch a program and realize you just missed it while in the guide, use the Skip Back button on the remote control to go back one page in the guide. This allows you to see the programs that you just missed. You could then search for the next time that program airs to set the DVR to record the program and avoid missing it again. There will be more information about searching and recording in other segments of this video. If you press Guide a second time, you will view the guide in a corner guide view where the information is displayed in the same manner, with a corner window of the current TV programming visible. You can also access the guide through the main menu. Press the menu on the remote control, arrow to the right, and highlight Guide Corner, and press OK. This is the same as pressing Guide on the remote control 2 times. To exit the guide, press Exit or press Guide a third time. Searching for programs is easy using the program guide, and there are a couple of ways to access the search functions. Anytime the yellow search symbol appears at the bottom of the screen, the yellow button on the remote control is available to perform a search for a highlighted program. For example, with the program Man vs. Food selected, pressing the yellow search button on the remote control will perform a title search for all programs with the same title in the guide. If you see a program you would like to record, you can do so directly from the search results. If you need to search for a program, simply type in one word or part of a word from the title of the show. To do this, press the Search button, left arrow, on the remote control. Highlight New Search and press OK. This will display a search window where you can use the browse arrow keys on the remote control to highlight and select letters to spell your search word. To select a letter, press the OK button on the remote control. To begin the search, press the yellow button. For example, the search here is for all programs with the word dog in the title. From here, you can browse the program titles that match your search. If you see one you'd like to record, arrow down to the program and press Record. Choose whether this is a one-time recording or a series recording. You can also decide not to record and press Exit. If you set a recording and then change your mind with the program still highlighted, simply press Stop on the remote control and the recording will be canceled. More details about recording are presented in another segment. The Search History feature will allow you to save your searches so that they can be used again at a later time. To get to the search history, select Search in the main menu and click OK on History. This will bring up a list of recent searches. From this list, you are able to use the color buttons on your remote control for additional actions. To delete a recent search, highlight a search and press the red button on your remote control. The selected search will be removed. To save a recent search, highlight the search and press the green button on your remote control. The search will then have a yellow star icon next to it, acknowledging that it is now a saved search. To use a previous search, select the search and press the yellow button on your remote control. This will bring up a list of future showings of the searched program. To sort recent searches, press the blue button on your remote controls. Searches will be sorted by saved searches in alphabetical order and then unsaved searches in alphabetical order. If you press the blue button again, the searches will be sorted according to date.